Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago Mehual, developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover an airdrop where you only have 30 days to apply and you will not believe how under the radar is. We are talking about Fuse. This is a very interesting project, a layer 2 solution, ZkEvm compatible, and like always in my videos I'm going to show you and tell you a little bit about the project, and then I go step by step with all the important points for this airdrop and how you can apply to this airdrop in the best way to maximize your position for this airdrop on these 30 days. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, Fuse Network is a leading layer 2 ZkEvm solution blockchain platform dedicated to scaling Web3 payments. So it's really focused on DeFi and payments. Fuse is on a mission to put the power of Ethereum in the hands of millions of businesses and consumers with a powerful payments ecosystem and a performance ZkEvm layer 2. Our ecosystem, they call, provides low-cost Web3 payments without the development headaches or vendor lock-in. The website is fuse.io and the project has been here already since 2019. And actually they have a live token, so we are going to cover all that. The important points about this project: low cost global payments, smart contract enables and extending Ethereum. So yeah, layers 2 are a big narrative for this bull run, but that doesn't mean that we may have more than one leader for this ecosystem. So it's important to always keep an eye on all these layer 2 solutions. Like we mentioned before, the important use cases and what this blockchain is focused is mobile payments, e-commerce, loyalty and rewards, branded stablecoins. So it's really a payments and DeFi blockchain. The website is full of information, so you can review everything here. The code is open source, so that is a very good point and guarantee the transparency on the project. And you have many articles to read about more the technical aspects of Fuse and the partnerships that they are adding constantly to the platform. In terms of social media, 131k followers, and like I mentioned, they have been here from August 2019. It's actually very close where they launched it. And like you can see here, the airdrop is live, so the airdrop is 100% confirmed from the official sources. We are going to check how to do that. But in the Twitter you also will find a lot of information about the project, the partnerships, for example with METIS and DeFi, and many other things like the participation on the conference for token 2049 and more in the Twitter section. I would recommend you to join the Discord too, because you will need that for the airdrop. But yeah, more information in the website. Don't hesitate to go and check it. Now, important points about the project and the airdrop. Like I mentioned, the project has been since 2019, but the token project has been since 2020 in the market. The Fuse token is live, so you can go to CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and you can see the token. So all the basic tokenomics are here, and the market cap is 17 million, so it's not a huge project in terms of market capitalization right now. You can also consider the token for your portfolio, but this is not financial advice. But many times people ask me that if the airdrops are only for new projects, but that is not the case. Many projects do airdrops to increase their community and reward the community, and this is the case. The token has been since 2019, and now we have another airdrop for Fuse to incentivize the network. And like I mentioned before, the airdrop is confirmed. Another important point is that will only last for 30 days. And this already started the 10th of April, so you only have like 20 more days for apply to this airdrop. They are going to drop 2 million Fuse tokens, and this is based on a point system. And once the airdrop concludes, you will receive your Fuse tokens directly into your wallet based on the points that you earn. So the step 1 for this, going directly to the step by step on how you can participate on this airdrop, is that first you need to join to the airdrop. You will need to connect your wallet and your account. So click here on the link and you will be sent to the dashboard, where after you connected your wallet and your Twitter account, like I say, it's going to redirect your network to Fuse. Remember, this is a new network, Fuse network. You can get it from chainlist.org if you need. but we are connected to Fuse in Fuse mainnet. So the details of the Fuse network, you can find it in chainlist.org or in the links on the project. And here you will see your DX, And here you will see your dashboard for the airdrop. You also have the leaderboard, and you can have the link to the Fuse home if you want to return there. Why say at the beginning that this airdrop is super under the radar? I just did one of the tasks, earning 50 points, and you can see that my rank is at 4,674. So there are not many people applying to this airdrop, and even if we know that it's not a massive airdrop like millions of dollars on the airdrop like could be ZkSync or many others, because it's super under the radar, applying a little bit or applying big time on the volume for this airdrop could really make you a difference on the reward. And I also like the fact that we know exactly when the airdrop ends, so this is not something that you will need to continue doing for months and months as the projects farm us instead that we are farming a project. So once you are there and you complete it and you are registered, the step 2 is that you need to bridge into Fuse. This will get you 4 points daily on every dollar that you bridge to Fuse. This is the official bridge and it's the only bridge recommended for this airdrop distribution. So once you are here, you can bridge from many places. You can see all the chains that are available. So in my case, I did it from Arbitrum, but you can select Polygon, Optimism, and Ethereum and BNB. So from Arbitrum, what I did was initially I sent some Ethereum from Arbitrum to Fuse network, and you can add the token into the Fuse network clicking here. So right now I am connected to Fuse. So if I click here, it's going to add the token into my MetaMask, but I am already in Fuse, so I will see the tokens there. So in Fuse we have the Rapid Ethereum, so sending Ethereum from Arbitrum is going to give us Rapid Ethereum in Fuse. So switch to Arbitrum in this case and do the bridge. Everything works fine, I didn't have any problem, and I already started to do some bridge. And of course you have the withdraw option if you want to revert this action and send the funds back to the other layer. Now there's a couple of comments in the Discord that they are going to check that you don't withdraw your funds and repeat the cycle like bridging constantly the same funds. So be aware of the sibling rules. Once you've bridged into Fuse, you need to have your tokens there at least 24 hours before the points appear in your dashboard. If you bridge in and then you take out that money bridging out, you will not see your rewards and you are probably going to be flagged as accessible or blacklisted for this airdrop. So be very conscious on your actions on the bridge. Try to always bridge in until this airdrop finish first, so you get your points after 24 hours. Now doing that, you are going to get here the points, 4 points daily on every dollar. So if you bridge $100, that will mean that you will get 400 points. And remember that you need to wait 24 hours for this. Hey crypto fans, as airdrop hunters and crypto enthusiasts, we are constantly in risk of being scammed from protocols and people that want to drain our wallets and enter into our computers. That is why we partner with proxy sellers for our proxy services. And the great about their services is that you can select many crypto friendly countries, and you can even mix a package of different countries for your proxy services. You can select many of the different proxy options, including your residential proxies. And it's super easy to get it. You just select the country, then you can put the amount of proxies that you want. Let's say that I am farming with 10 wallets. Just click on buy, and here on redeem code you can put a referral CCS15, and you can see how the price downs a 15% for all these proxy services and 10% for residential services. So don't wait anymore. Be safe as an airdrop hunter and crypto enthusiast, so you are always in control when you are online. Use our CCS15 refer code, and first link in the description is your link to get your proxies with us and proxy seller. Point 3, remember you need to follow them on Twitter. So you can go to the Twitter account and follow them. That will give you 50 points. So very easy to apply to those 50 points. Now moving to task 4, you need to get more than 2 tokens in your Fuse wallet. So after I bridge Ethereum into Fuse using the bridge, I would recommend you to bridge also some USDT and some USDC. I would recommend you to do 2 things. One, to swap some tokens into Fuse and bridge it into the Fuse network, because you use that to pay gas fees and you need it for staking. And also then you can bridge some USDT or USDC. That is what I did. So what I did here was basically after I breached the wrap Ethereum, like I mentioned before on the step 2, I breached some USDT from Arbitrum to Fuse. And also I went into Uniswap using Arbitrum and I bought some Fuse, and then I moved that Fuse into Fuse network. So that is why I have here 3 tokens. So I am applying to that task. That task is this one, which says holding more than 2 different tokens. So after waiting some time, you should see this with a thing here, like the task for Twitter that is completed. So have at least 3 tokens on your wallet for at least 24 hours. So to explain what I did, you can check here this link on Discord. There you have the contract addresses for the Fuse token on Arbitrum, for example. And then what I did was I went into the app of Uniswap on the version 3 and I swapped some Arbitrum tokens into Fuse. And then using the Fuse bridge, I move it into the mainnet. So here you can use Ethereum or another token that you want, in my case from Arbitrum, and you buy the Fuse tokens. And after you do that, you go to the bridge again and you can see you can bridge Fuse from Arbitrum into Fuse network. And that is what I did. And after doing that, just for the purpose of the video, 400 Fuse tokens. Now step 5 is that you can do a regular staking on Fuse. So you will need to select the validator and delegate. So go to the link on the console of Fuse and go to staking. On the right side, after you bridge, you go to staking. You need to be in Fuse, so click on switch your chain, go to Fuse, and you can see I staked something already for the purpose of the video. But what you need to do is check here your validators, select the validator that you want. Just for the centralization, I recommend you to go after the top 15 or 20, and then you can click the validator that you want, put the amount of Fuse that you want and stake it. Of course you can unstake also, but just leave it stake it so you generate the yield and you are validating here. Now the point 6 is that I already mentioned to complete the task to have more than 2 tokens on your wallet, but I put here also a link into the Discord, and in that link you have the token address on Fuse from USDC, wrap Ethereum and USDT. So once you bridge it, you will not see it in your wallet. You need to go to import tokens and put here the token contract address, the one that I here, and then you will see that you have your tokens. So if you bridge and don't see it in your wallet, you need to do this step just to import the tokens into your wallet. Step 7 is that for more information about the airdrop, go to the Discord. There are more details and things there, and more tasks will add soon into the airdrop dashboard. So you can check here, down here, that you have multiplier points and you can provide liquidity on Voltage. This is coming soon. Stake SFuse on Voltage. You can stake Volt on Voltage. You can lend on Meridian. You can be able to trade on LogX. We covered LogX also, and Miracle. So all this is coming soon, probably in this week, because there's not much time for the airdrop, and doing this you will be also able to get and multiply your points for this airdrop. And the point 8 is that here, when you are logging here, you can invite friends and you will get some percentage of the points that they also generate. This doesn't mean that you take out from the points of your user. That means that from those amount of points you also get what corresponds to a 20%. But it's not affecting the user that use the referral link. So remember, if you are in my private Discord, you are able to put your referral link in one of our channels. That is why, if you want to do that, I recommend you to check my subscriptions at cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. We have a private Discord with high level of information, everything regarding airdrops claims, new airdrops, BRC20 airdrops, rules, everything that you can imagine about the airdrop hunting path. We are there, we are communicating and helping each other. This is for new people that enter into airdrops or for experienced people. We have different channels. So everyone that wants to do airdrops is welcome to our private Discord. And if you want to move this to the next level, I created an application that is going to help you to apply and register all your progress on your airdrops. If you are using multiple wallets, or if you are farming like 10 or more airdrops in one wallet, you will love my application. It's going to make it super easy for you to register all your progress. And my last update was that now you can get a reminder into your emails from the task that you need to do for each of your airdrops in progress. So check my application, check my Discord, these subscriptions are really cheap. And that will be all for this video. Only 30 days for this new L2 airdrop, very under the radar. Before we leave, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video.